Hi everyone, this is Susie. I made a fairy garden and a bunch of plants around it. My dog Muffin was always with me when I was gardening. She just stuck to my side and everything. And this is Muffin. This is a memory of Muffin. She passed away Thursday. She's younger in this picture. She was 13 years old. And I just made this garden with all stuff I had around the house. And I put plants all around it. They're all in the woods, like Muffin. Muffin's in heaven now. And she's in a big field, running around with all the other dogs. She was 13. And she was getting very sick. And we will miss her very much. And if you wanted to make your own fairy garden, I got a lot of this stuff I already had, like from the Dollar Tree and maybe Walmart and different places like that. I put all this around it. It looks like they're in the woods. With all their plants around. And we got some gnomes visiting. Muffin always liked to watch me garden. She was very loyal and very sweet. She was abandoned. Oh, she was probably about 1 or 2 years old. And she came to our door. And I took care of her. A lot of other animals were abandoned. And she came to my door and brought her in and took care of her. She's been a sweet, sweet dog. She was very sweet. And we'll miss her every day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.